Well, a recent Supreme Court decision ruled that certain business owners can refuse service to same-sex couples on the grounds of First Amendment rights to free speech. The Supreme Court ruling also has an impact on a case sparked here by a local photographer. WENY's Max Coben joins us live in studio to explain. Max.
Hi, Nick. Yeah, following the Supreme Court ruling in favor of 303 Creative, it could impact a local case. That is of Emilee Carpenter Photography versus James. Now, photographer Emilee Carpenter filed a lawsuit back in 2021 against New York Attorney General Latia James. Like 303 Creative, Carpenter claims New York's anti-discrimination laws violate her constitutional rights to free speech.
I became familiar with New York State's law that posed some pretty serious threats for me operating as a creative professional, where not only I could lose my business license, I could be facing $100,000 fines, I could be facing jail time, and ultimately I'm just trying to operate my business in line with my religious convictions.
Emilee Carpenter Photography is represented by the Alliance Defending Freedom, the same legal organization that represented the owner of 303 Creative before the Supreme Court. The ADF tells WENY News following the High Court's decision, they are now filing supplemental briefs in Carpenter's case. Carpenter says her religious beliefs prevent her from photographing same-sex weddings. She says she has no issues working with same-sex couples on other projects.
It's not about who it is. It's really about the message that I'm creating. So I serve all people. That includes LGBT people. It includes anybody. It's just certain messages, and that's how I am accepting projects. Really, my faith is the lens through which I create my artwork, in the same way that I only want to celebrate certain messages about marriage.
ADF says New York laws prevent Emilee from explaining her core beliefs on her business website due to the proposed penalties for violating the state law.
Actually, New York's law is so severe that it prohibits her from explaining her editorial choice to create messages consistent with her religious beliefs about marriage. So Emilee designs photographs and writes blogs consistent with her religious beliefs that God designed marriage to be between one man and one woman. But New York's law actually prohibits her from explaining those beliefs and that policy publicly. If she does, as she mentioned, the penalties are extremely severe.
On June 30th, the White House reacted to the SCOTUS decision.
We are deeply disappointed in the Supreme Court's decision today in 303 Creative, which takes our nation backward in the fight for equality.
Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote in the dissent on the court's ruling, saying, quote, "For the first time in its history, the court grants a business open to the public a constitutional right to refuse to serve members of a protected class." Locally, Southern Finger Lakes Pride, which advocates for members of the LGBTQ community, said the ruling by the Supreme Court allows for discrimination and may create a slippery slope.
Individuals and business owners have signs that say, no bigots allowed, no Republicans allowed, no, cisgendered white people allowed.
Carpenter's case has been on appeal since 2022 as the 303 Creative case went before the Supreme Court. It is currently pending in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. Nick.